Alright, here we go. Good luck, Henry. Wow for real. Oh, my knife is over there. Leaf 2013 Leaf Memories. 2013 Leaf Memories. Baseball. Ooh, what if they made like a Leaf Memories football? And a Leaf Memories basketball? Look at this, Hall of Famer right on the top. Hall of Famer. We got a redemption in the back. Oh, should I show you that? Hall of Famer. Greg Maddux, 1 of 5. 1 of 5. Aaron Blair. Marco Gonzalez. Austin Meadows. Jonathan Crawford. Colin Moran. And now it lost focus. Colin Moran. Bill McKinney. Billy McKinney. Come on, focus on Billy. That out of 10? No. Out of 50, blue. Blue Billy McKinney, 46 of 50. There we go. Tim Anderson, 4 of 5. White Sox guy right there. Hunter Dozier. Or Hunter Harvey, I'm sorry. Run Hunter. Hunter Harvey. Rob Kaminsky. Come on. 2 more hits. Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez. 1 more hit. Jonathan Crawford, 1 of 10. Green. And you have a redemption. Hot memorabilia redemption. RedeemLeaf.com. The main hit. I don't know if you want me to type it in for you, Henry, or not. Redemption. Go ahead. All right. See what this redemption is gonna be. We'll mail it out to you too, Henry. Type it in the main chat, right? Ah, jeez, my quarter stack. I can't find a quarter. Okay, let's go right here. Alright, redeem another code. Here we go. Get it all entered. Alright, here we go. One personal redemption experience enclosed. What's it gonna be? Frank Thomas, autograph baseball. Sick. Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt. Hall of Fame right there. Hall of Famer. Product. Nice, Henry. Congratulations. Good stuff.